everybody, Tony back again with another video for you here today. Got this good old Craftsman 2.2 36cc with boost ports in the exhaust. So there's a couple of videos of this build in version 2 out there, but not running pretty bad, or don't run bad for what it is, since like I said, it mainly just did the boost ports in the exhaust. Like I said, there's a video explaining the hows and whys, but already got it kind of warmed up here. I was cutting up some firewood, so see how she does in this piece of pin oak back here. Running the box store chain, you know, since the box store saw. Got that tri-link titanium cutter that I got from Walmart in the clearance aisle, but start it up, see what she does.